Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a 4-point knob, or a 4-star. It's actually 4 points, and it won't be any specific size. It's just going to be for reference to show you actually how to create one. And we'll go ahead and design it in inches. Okay, so first off, I'm going to grab the circle tool. We're going to create let's create a 0.5 circle, and then we'll create another one, 2.5. Okay, now we're going to grab our line tool. We're going to put a line right down the middle of this. Now we're going to go ahead and turn this into a mirror line by right mouse clicking on it, create a mirror. Now we're going to go ahead and click over here. And then we're going to drag out. I'm going to actually make this circle, the inner circle, a little bit bigger. So we'll go right about to there, which is 1.057 inches, and it's a 97.9 degree angle. Okay, we'll click there. We're going to go ahead and get rid of that line. We're going to make a little bit bigger one. We'll go to point right here, which is 0.735. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get rid of this mirror line. We don't need it, so we'll select it, delete. We're going to select these two lines here. We're going to check move. We're going to come over here and check create pattern. We're going to drag this down, and we're going to spin this over. Let's make a 5-point, just to make it interesting, instead of 4. And now we're going to grab our trim away and trim away these. Okay, now I'm going to go get rid of these. Okay, now we're going to put a hole in the middle there. It's going to be for our bolt. Let's just say it's 0.3. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and spin this. Let's give this a pull here. So we're going to pull this out to, let's go 0.3. Now let's spin this, make sure it's not too thick of a pull. Okay, that's fine. And now we're going to pull this piece out here. We're going to pull this out. Let's click on it. Type 0.5. Uh-oh. Need to go the other way. Let's just click on it and drag to 0.5. Okay, that's going to be the back of the knob. Now we'll spin this around. Now we're going to put a spot in there to accept the hexagon bolt. So we'll click on that. We'll plan view. We'll grab our polygon. Click in the center there. We'll drag up to 0.5. Hit enter. Now we're going to go ahead and pull. Grab our spin tool, spin this. We're going to sink this down a little bit in there so the bolt actually will lock into place in there. So we're going to drag this down to 0.3 just as an example. Okay, now we're going to spin this. Now we'll go ahead and get rid of this circle right there. We don't need that. Go ahead and spin this. So this is going to be our knob, and then your bolt's going to fit in there and lock into place, and then the threads will come out here. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and select this till everything is selected. Click till everything is selected, And we're going to put a chamfer on this of 0.04. And we'll click off. We're going to spin this. We'll do the same on the bottom. Click and drag. 0.4. I'm going to spin this. Now let's pull right here so it's not a weak spot. If I can, doesn't look like I can. Let's try this spin from here. Let's pull. No, I'm not able to do that, so let's go ahead and create one on the top here. Do a small one, 0.02. Let's Control plus, let's pan over. Let's put one inside here. Doesn't look like I can do that one either. Wondering why. Oh, that's all right. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and create one right here. Let's go 0.4. Spin this. 0.4. So 0.4 there. Then 0.4 there. Okay, let's pan over. Go ahead and give this a spin. Looks pretty good. Maybe added one to here, 0.2. I'd like to be able to add one to here, but I'm not really sure why I'm not able to. Yeah, that's usually a weak spot and that could break, so. But that'll be okay. The only other place I'd want to put one is right here, so the screw will be able to go through here easily. 0.2. We'll spin this around, put one on this side too. 0.2. Okay, now we'll go view from the top. Okay, this is going to be our 5-point knob. Take a polygon or hexagon bolt. It'll go through there, and then you can be able to screw this and tighten it on to something. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and got something useful out of this video. Okay, thanks for watching.